In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a Sam's Club credit card. To get started, open the Sam's Club app on your phone or go to the credit card issuer's online account portal in your web browser. Either option can work, so just use whichever one is more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign into your account using your normal login credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one card or membership. After signing in, navigate to your credit card account or the card management section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but you're looking for the area where you can view and manage your card settings. If you have multiple cards linked to the same account, select your Sam's Club credit card from the list so you're making changes to the correct card. Next, look for an option labeled something like Lock Card, Freeze Card, or Turn Card Off. Different platforms may use different names for this feature, but they generally do the same thing. This setting is designed to temporarily block the card from being used, which can be helpful if you've misplaced it or simply want to pause activity for security reasons. Once you find that option, enable the card lock feature and confirm your selection if prompted. In some cases, the app or website may ask you to review the action before applying it. Take a moment to read the screen carefully, then continue. After that, wait for the confirmation message showing that your card has been successfully frozen or locked. Don't skip this part because it's important to make sure the request actually went through. When you see the confirmation, verify the card status on the account screen so you can confirm the lock is active. If you want to start using the card again later, return to the same menu and unlock the card from there. The process is usually just as simple as locking it, and it allows you to regain access without needing a replacement card. One important note, if your card is lost, stolen, or you notice unauthorized transactions, contact customer service right away. Freezing or locking the card can be a useful security step, but it may not replace the need to report fraud or request further help. And that's how to freeze a Sam's Club credit card.